Hey, it's Jack Murray. Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out my latest content. I figure everybody else is making videos about their welding cart, so I just made my third one, and I thought I would go ahead and share that. So my first one was, it came with a welder, and I used that for a while, and then that welder broke, and I got this new Lincoln welder, and it didn't really quite fit on that cart, but I used it anyway until it fell apart. And then I replaced it with what I'm about to show you, which is basically a Harbor Freight dolly that I cut in half and made it longer and added some wood to it. I'm going to show you that. And a big improvement I had on the second version was that I have casters on all four wheels. And so I really like that, and the new one has that too. So, I mean, mostly the important thing about making a welding cart is securing the bottle, so I did a pretty good job on this one. This one here, this is the wood structure that I used. Basically the dolly cut in half, put on some wood, and so the bottle kind of nestled in there, and then I had the straps that hold it on. Those straps were always too short and drove me crazy. And I added these things to hang things from. But you know, it was always, I didn't have any other space, and everything was piling on top of it. And the biggest problem I hated the most about this thing is that the cables would hang down, and they get it caught in the wheels, and that would drive me crazy. So this is version 3, and as you can see, I have secured the bottle really well. So now it pretty much does not move. Okay, it still moves a little bit, but basically you can move this cart just by holding the bottle. The old cart, I could try and do that, and the bottle would just basically flop around and make me angry. So mostly you can move this thing with this handle right here. This and because it has 4 casters, yeah, I can move it anywhere I want, no problem. So it also has this extension cord thing that you could use as a handle if you wanted to. But yeah, so I made this thing so I can hang my cables up like that so they don't fall down. This is just a piece of aluminum. It's like a tent post or something. So if I wanted to transport this, I could just pull these pieces out. See how they just pull out like a tent post, and then it won't stick up. Where's the other piece? Oh yeah, right there. So basically I could pull these all out and get it down out of the way, so you can put it into the back of a truck or something. So yeah, I think that's a nice feature of this thing, because I absolutely hate having these things flying around. Yeah, this isn't it's pretty weak. It's probably going to end up breaking. It's just really weak aluminum. This is a piece of aluminum that was basically scrap. I don't know what it was from. These pieces are from a refrigerator. You know, it's kind of the valance thing up on the top of a refrigerator. Stainless steel. And then the bottom, this is Z channel. It's for connecting fences, and I just picked up some of this at the landfill. Someone just unloaded like dozens of these things, and I just grabbed a few of them, even though you're not supposed to do that at the landfill. But no one was watching, so I got away with it. So yeah, it's really a strong, heavy-duty steel. The only problem is it's galvanized, so welding it is not the greatest idea, but you know, I didn't die, so. I was going to say, so I saw another example of someone who had a cabinet, and I think that is so much better, because you could just put all your stuff in here, your helmet, your gloves, and it doesn't get all full of grinding dust. So I think that's a good feature. And I put on those big caster wheels. So yeah, just wanted to show that. It's a quick video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.